model, 2018 Citroen Dispatch 2.0 Blue HDI factory-fitted crew cab in black, long MOT, excellent runner, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant, no VAT bargain. Body, black, crew cab. Mileage, 127119. MOT, the 27th of March 2026. Engine, 1997 ccdw10FEA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Very good spec, air conditioning, electric windows, no VAT to pay, absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, full service.